Hey, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. But what's that? Do you hear something in the background? What could that be? Pause and panting, we've got dog friends. Freaking 5 dogs here in the house today, hanging out. But today, we've got a little throwback video because, man, I was bumming, crying, running around, all pissed off this morning because the video we had planned for today can't be uploaded due to stupid copyright, man. Can't even make a Facebook post nowadays without getting flagged for copyright. In the meantime, I am going to share with you something really cool. You know, I've been living in North Carolina for about a year and a half now, and the first day I moved here, I got the best handshake greeting, basshead greeting, and neighborhood-wise I could ever get from the Charkers family. So I jumped on the hard drives, whipped up something real quick, just to, you know, say thank you to the, he came and helped me move a big piece of furniture, and I really did appreciate it. And he ended up being my next door neighbor, so it's pretty damn cool. So without further ado, let's go ahead and share just a quick little memory because North Carolina has been pretty great so far.
Yeah, we come in and I was like, yeah, let's not play in his neighborhood because even if we're only here once, they're gonna associate his cars with loud bass and he's gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, I told my next door neighbor that I was into it. He said, oh, you picked the right place to live, man. These guys are all about their cars.
Yeah. 2 SAV 312s on a Arc Audio XDI 2K. It's got a Mechman 320 under the hood and that single HC 1400.
Okay, what do you wire it up to?
2 ohms. So it's making 0 power. 1 day install from 9 o'clock this morning to now.
Sweet, so besides recycling the box, every little thing was done in 1 day?
Yep, all the wire, everything.
That's pretty unique, man, I like that.
That was in the old days, I ain't Let me do a big house poet.
Just giving up. Oh, I can hear metal like squeaking because it's rubbing together so bad.
Whizzing up lab on me, hoping my job would be based around mobs. Now I'm on.
I didn't even know these motherfuckers could do that.
Yeah, woo! I'm sure that low note got them moving pretty good.
That low note got them moving pretty good.
I think I can hear the metal though. I think Deadener's definitely in the near future.
Yeah, once metal starts flapping, it's time to get some Deadener. Alright, coming in with Kyle here. We got a second little nighttime demo. Man, it's nice having new basshead friends in my new house. Always makes it a lot easier to get some clips for you guys. So I hear he's got something a little too loud to jam right here. Oh, dude, look at that wire. Holy smokes, what is this? What do you got in here?
412s on Twisted Sound 3.5K.
412s on Twisted Sounds 3.5. And those are your batteries right underneath there. You got 2 of them, right?
Yep.
What are they?
X2.
X2 batteries. And it looks like you got a little custom paint job there. Did you do that yourself? I like that.
No, I didn't.
Appreciate you jamming for me, man. Charlie brought me over here to get some footage. There's the car we drove over in. Let's check this bad out. Mamacita, 35 hertz. I'm enjoying that, man. I'm glad you busted out the March Madness too. One of my favorite bass lines. 412's making her shine too. I like it. I swear, that's gotta be putting out a little bit more power than just the 3,800 watts.
I haven't clamped it yet, but that's probably putting out over 4.
Yeah, I have a clamp at my house. Do you live nearby?
Yeah.
One of these days we should do some testing over at the garage. Your juice is spilling everywhere, dude. Oh no. What is that? What flavor is that?
Blue raspberry.
Blue ras, flexing like a mofo. So about how long have you had this bad boy system rocking in this truck?
I've had the amp since July. I've had the sub since October. Want to do 612s.
So just add 2 more of these exact woofers?
Yeah. Maybe switch to a 5K.
So looking back, there'd be just all of them right down the center, right down like that?
Yeah.
That would look cool on video, that's for sure. Well, I'm sure I'll be able to check it out once you do build it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Get a quick little gander there. Oh, there's the box. Let me turn my flashlight back on here. There's a nice view. I love Aeroports.
That's a BURP box too.
You would consider this a BURP box?
It is a BURP box.
Oh, wow. So it was built strictly for SPL, but you're using it to bump out music?
For now.
Right there. And for anyone who doesn't know what the hell we just said, this thing was made to play one note, but he's playing many notes, many notes, so.
I did a 49.8 at 41 hertz.
You did a 49.8 at what?
41 hertz.
41 hertz, there you go. And then there's all your, what wire is that, sky high it looks like?
Yep.
All right, well, it's nice to get a little gander at the back of it. Thanks a lot, dude. And thanks for cranking it up too, freaking awesome. I like that weird, creepy
That werewolf song is really weird. It's just weird enough.
Lavender ribbons of rain sang, ridding my heart of mortal fright.
Sundown, fatherless showdown.
like that, a little something different for sure.
Yeah, the
What is that?
It's Werewolf by Kokarusi. That's that Clip City Productions I was telling you about.
Okay.
Yeah. I like all John's stuff. I like that he doesn't do songs that everyone else has done.
Well, there we go, guys. Another freaking solid hangout sesh here. Pretty awesome that I have this opportunity to just hang out with fellow bassheads with our friends Charlie and I suck. What's your name one more time?
Caitlin.
And Caitlin. Extra special thanks for coming out here with your Chevy Impala and bumping some bass for us. Until the next video, guys, this is EXO signing out.